you need to understand first of all four most important things. SRT, situation reaction test. If you remember, the ones who have already done the psychology success blueprint, there I have explained you very clearly. The ones who have completed, they must be able to connect very easily. But even though the ones who have not reached on that part of the journey, still I will explain you very quickly. Though the name of this test is situation reaction test, correct? Which means there is a cause and every cause has an effect. आपको पिक्चर में बिठाया गया है, keeping yourself into the center. Some cause has happened, something event has happened, and there will be an effect of the event. So based upon that, how you will going to respond. This is the very basis of this test. Now, the very importance of this test is situation reaction test. How you will respond to this test will actually determine or will showcase the blueprint of your personality, who you are as a person, how you handle the things, how you handle the situations, what is your persona, how you look out at things when it comes to you. All these things will be very clearly shown with this. SRT is one of the very strongest, just like that. SRT is one of the very strongest psychology tests, which grills you very thoroughly in order to take a great insight about your personality automatically from yourself. Now, a very important point for all of you to understand. दो शब्द होते हैं रिएक्शन और एक्शन. इस टेस्ट का नाम तो सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट है, बट टेक्निकली जो आदमी इसमें रिएक्ट करता है वो फेल हो जाता है. ध्यान से समझना, इस टेस्ट का नाम तो सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट है, बट जो एस्पायरेंट इसमें रिएक्ट करता है, ही और शी इज गॉन. What is the right winning strategy for SRT is not a reaction, but you have to give your progressive action. Something has happened. What you will going to take as an action? That's what is required. And with majority of aspirants, it happens because the overall setup of the test is so scientifically designed, keeping that time pressure, overall pressure and everything, that in majority of cases when we don't understand these things, or in other words, if we don't work on our non-uniform officer, which is the most important part, eventually majority of candidates, they actually become reactive. The moment you become reactive, you are gone. It is exactly like this. जिसने chemistry में वो elements पढ़े हैं ना, वो radioactive material होता है uranium. It's very reactive. जैसी आएगा रिएक्ट कर जाएगा. सोडियम जैसी लगेगा रिएक्ट कर जाएगा. Whereas if you talk about a neon, neon is an inert gas. और जो inert रहेगा, मतलब कोई भी चीज आएगी उससे इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा, वही प्रोग्रेसिव एक्शन दे पाएगा. So technically you don't have to become uranium, you have to become just like a neon gas, inert. Now when I say inert, what it means? अब ये जो आपने दीक्षा करा है, this is fine what you have done, but the biggest problem here is in majority of situations, there was a situation which came to you in front of you. For that situation, you have written an obvious action, but the problem is your action is missing with the karma and how. I'll show you an example. आप example के तौर पे देखिए, जैसे कि let's go by this. I have taken the note of few of them, right? So I will talk to them to solve the issues, right? How you will solve it. Anyone can say, I will talk to them to solve the issues. You have shown an action. There is no wrong in this. I'm not saying it's wrong, right? जैसे एग्जाम्पल होता है फौज में, कहते हैं ना जोश के साथ होश चाहिए। अभी एसआरटी में देख लो आप, ये जोश है आपका, आई विल टॉक टू देम टू सॉल्व द एक्शन। भाई कैसे करेगा ये तो बता दे। दैट्स कॉल्ड एज होश। सर आई हैव अ मास्टर प्लान, वी कैन रियली कैप्चर दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट। Gentlemen, how you will capture it? Tell me the plan for it. So likewise, if you will see a lot of things over here, I will explain him that it was just for fun. I will tell them to let me study. Why they should let you study? You are just saying a statement, मैं ऐसा कर दूंगी. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I will tell them that I am just a tourist. This is something very important for all of you to understand, all of you. I will still do it because it is my job. This is somewhat still complete because indirectly you are showing it is my job. That is, this is my sense of responsibility. But you can write it, or you could have shown it much better way. Are you getting what I'm saying? The karma is missing over here. That does not mean कि आपको इतनी बड़ी कहानियां लिखनी है. You have to write precise, but the karma has to be there. Right? And when you write the karma, then it shows that the person has acted on the situation. You have been able to deal with that situation.